Here we've got Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings. Now find and pick passwords and security, and here just select fingerprint unlock. At first you have to set some backup to your fingerprint, so you can choose pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern. Now as you can see, you have to wait a couple of seconds and remember to lock screen password, because it's truly important. Once you forget it, you will have to erase all data on your device. Okay, thanks for the notification. And now you can enter the pattern. So this is my pattern. Now you have to re-enter it just to confirm, and then select confirm. Okay, so now click on got it, and here is your fingerprint scanner. So just tap right here until your fingerprint is fully added. So press the screen and lift your finger up after it is scanned. You will feel the vibration. And as you can see, it has been done. Click on done, and from now on you will be able to unlock your device either with this backup pattern, just like that, or with your fingerprint smoothly by tapping right here. So this is it. This is how you can activate this super screen protection method. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.